What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you, well, the car that's been on the side of the house, my Hyundai Accent, everything that we need to do. But first, let me get these tires out of my car. I left these in the back of my car, and it's actually making my car smell really bad. So I'm going to move these out. These have been in there for a really long time. These are fast wheels, and they all hold air, so they're good tires. That right there, that's how you back it up. Now I gotta move the Civic out because we got to be able to get that accent out. So I'm gonna do that now. Did you hear that belt squeaking?
Yep.
Oh, it's not gonna start anyways. I'm missing my battery. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna get my battery. I'll be right back. This battery should work. It's the last battery that I have. I thought for a second I didn't know what battery was which, like what terminal, because they're both black. So hopefully, I mean, this should start up. Let's start it up.
Your tires are low, man. They need air.
Oh man.
What? That's what I was trying to tell you. Like, your tires need air, man. At least those two.
Oh great.
Not gonna be happy with that, are they?
Well, I guess now I'm gonna have to fire up the air compressor and put some air in these tires. It's gonna be a little loud because the compressor got to fill up with air. So now that we filled up the air compressor, we're gonna pump up these tires. Yeah, that's a great amount of air in these. I mean, this only happens, you know, if your car's been sitting for any period of time. They go flat on one side only. And yeah, since pretty much I was filling up the air compressor, somebody came by to look at the car. They took it for a test drive. But we know they're just lookers. I'll probably have to pump this up again at some point, so I'll just put in like an unknown amount of PSI. I'm just gonna move this around real quick and we should be good.
Okay.
Oh, never mind, I'm not gonna be able to move this around yet because people came back from their test drive.
Alright.
Yeah. That's price on it. Alright, I'll let you know. So I'm just going to turn this around in my parking spot.
Okay.
That's all that it needed was some air in the tires and a fresh battery. I knew that this was going to be sitting all winter long, so that's what I did. I pulled the battery out, but the battery that I pulled out of this was bad anyways. So let's go around and see everything that's wrong with this. So as you can see here, the headlights are yellow. And if you guys watch my other videos, you would know that when they're this yellow, they can't be buffed out. So those are a lost cause, but I might have a fix for that. Now inside, we know right off the back that it's got an exhaust leak, and it seems to be coming from the front of the car. But everything else looks really good. Yeah, apart from the alternator belt, everything else looks pretty good. So just have some minor peel and clear coat on this, some minor rust there. The tires in the front, really good tires. Inside here, this looks like it's never been driven in. And the power in the front, the power windows in the front, all operational. So that's a plus. And then the back is good too. Like, this car was really kept for. It's only got 299,000 kilometers, which is nothing for these. And then the plate is gone. I didn't take the plate off. The guy that I actually bought the car off of took the plate. And this is where some stuff I don't understand. Like, I don't understand why the speaker's just left out here, and the trunk, like, all this stuff needs to be picked up and cleaned out. But that's not a big deal. And then this is definitely not going to be cleaning any rear view windows at all. And then, as you can see right here, rust. That's typical of these cars. And a plus side to this is that it's the manual transmission 5-speed. So now that we've gone over it, I don't really know what I want to do with it. And that's where you guys come in. If you guys think I should do something special to it, let me know. I'm looking for any options, but I need to know in the comments down below what I should do with this. It's a blank canvas. Just right here, I'm really worried because the belt, if you look down here, the belt that's on the alternator, one sec, let me see if I can see it. You can see, like right there, you can actually see the ribs through the belt. So that belt is no good. Start it up, I'm gonna bring it in the garage, but before I move it, I'm gonna see if that belt's turning. And the actually works. So that's another big plus. But I just want to make sure that this belt is either... Oh wow, guys! The belt on this is moving, so we don't even need to change this belt. Because usually the ribs will show through like if it's seized or something, but it's not seized on this, so we don't need to replace the belt or anything on this, so that's awesome. I'm going to bring it in now. But yeah, everything on this is all original. Everything. Now this is where it's going to stay pretty much until I figure out what we're doing with this, because it was on the side of the house just rotting, and I need to do something with it other than let it rot more. So the next thing I'm going to do, since it's a really nice day out today, is I'm going to get the pressure washer set up and I'm going to clean my new fast rims, well, new to me, and I'm going to show you guys how to get out this scratching. Now, this wasn't me. This was the previous person I got it on. And I picked up this, well, I didn't pick these up. These are actually floor mats out of the Civic that I'm not going to use. I'm going to stack them in between each rim so that they don't get scratching. But yeah, there's only like one that's like seriously scratched. That's okay. But yeah, these are fast wheels. These are like really nice rims. Like if you were to sell these on the black market, you know how much money you'd get? Not much, because the black market's cheap. But yeah, I'm putting the floor mats out for my nice rims. Rims that you saw me travel to go get. If you guys watch my other videos, you'd see me go get my deep dishes. I'm gonna go get those now. Yeah, if you guys want to see me put these seats in my Hyundai Accent, let me know. But let me know why if you do. I mean, I might not even put them in there. Not sure. They're just good to, but yeah, these right here, ugh. Wow, they're still holding air. I mean, not very well, but they're holding air, so. Now I'm gonna get the big ones, the backs. This is the same stuff that I put on my driveway, and it's the same stuff you can put on your rims. Get rid of like grease. The thing with these guys is you don't need to clean the inside, because nobody's gonna see the inside of these. So try not to inhale this stuff either. It's probably not good for you. It's like the mist is like going all in my eyes. I think honestly I like these fast wheels more than I like the deep dish. Leave in the comments down below if you like the deep dishes over the fast wheels. That's all you need. Now I'm gonna hook up the pressure washer like so, and we should be good. Like I said, don't leave that degreaser on your rims for too long, especially in the sun, because it's not good for it. It's just getting the air pockets out of the pressure washer. That's why it's not performing super good right now. Just wait, we'll get the air out. See all that air? There. now we got them all nice and cleaned up. Pretty much I'm just gonna let these air dry, and then we'll lube them up and fire shine them and make them look really good. So I'll see you when we get back. Yeah, so I just got back. It's a little bit darker, as you can see, and I cleaned these up really good. All the scratches on them are gone except this one, and you can't fix paint because paint's removed from that. So this is all good. And then we fired up the grill, cooking some fish, potatoes. Gonna have a good meal tonight. And these ones came out not as good as I expected. Like, they're really these are kind of ones that don't clean up as good as the fast wheels. So I guess all I'm left to do with these is try and put them on my car maybe tomorrow at another time. And that's it.